students from geology background, be those appearing for the CGS, the GSI examination, IFS or IAS, answer writing becomes a crucial part at mains stage. Now let's say you have a question which talks about what are the geomorphic criteria used for mineral prospecting. Now this is a question from 2020 paper. Now this kind of questions must be addressed with the very first idea. When we are looking onto a mineral deposit, we need not to understand that it's impossible to, we need to understand that it's impossible to survey each and every square kilometer of the land parcel. It's expensive, it's time consuming. So there are techniques which are known as prospecting to identify where mineral deposits could be seen. Now, this prospecting could happen through various criteria. So, first of all, it's a good idea to give a list of the various criteria. If you can write at least 1 or 2 lines on each, it would be great. Then you would go on to directly what is asked, which is the geomorphic criteria. So, a summary of the various criteria must be given in a very short form, and then coming on to the geomorphic criteria. Now here you would understand that we are trying to prospect the ore. So what is the physiographic condition? For example, if there is a sinkhole, it could determine presence of gypsum or limestone. There are various topographical maps, aerial photographs, remote sensing satellite imageries which could help us understand the physiographic conditions, the young dynamic surface relief, and how do we understand the geomorphic analysis for a region. The various morphometric analysis could also be utilized to understand the drainage pattern, the symmetry or the asymmetric structure of the valley, the slope, the river order, the drainage density, and the various the age and the origin of the various rock forms. So those are some of the things that you can take into account while you are writing a note on geomorphic criteria. But this question was intended to help you understand predominantly one very important thing, and that is, whenever you have a question like this, it's important to give a quick introduction about the various criteria, which gives a clear impression that you have information about the content and you are well versed in your subject, and then come on to the key thing and mention in detail about that criteria. So there you can mention the formation, the concentration and accumulation into further detail. So this was the basic idea that you must take into account. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions or doubts, you can post those in the comment section below. And definitely the complete practice material and past paper solutions are available on the link below. Thanks for joining in.